Red light therapy can help your body heal. It can help your skin and muscles feel better. Some people use it for skin problems like wrinkles. Others use it for sore muscles after exercise. Red light therapy is safe and easy to use. You can even try it at home. Red light is part of the light we see. It has different frequencies. Red light can go deep into the body. It helps cells work better. This can help your body heal faster. You may feel less pain too. You can make a red light therapy device at home. It is easy and cheap. You will need a few things like red LED lights. You can find these online. You will also need a way to power the lights. A battery pack works well. Watch my video to see exactly how to build it. It is a fun project. Want to learn more about building your own device? Click my channel name below. Red light therapy can help you feel better. Try making your own device today.